Only about a third of the world's population is fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Developing countries lag far behind. CBS's Elizabeth Palmer explains why and reports from London tonight.
In Britain this morning, more than 40,000 runners came out for the London Marathon, the first in 2 years. There's growing confidence that lethal COVID is in retreat, at least in the developed world. In Israel, too. Vaccines, that is, 3 of them, including the booster, are the new normal for everyone over 12. That's coverage the developing world can only dream of. Many countries, especially in Africa, still don't have nearly enough, and their leaders blame trade and export restrictions in the developed world. African Union envoy Strive Masiyiwa.
We want to buy from those same manufacturers, but to be fair, those manufacturers know very well that they never gave us proper access.
The world passed another milestone in the pandemic this week. 5 million people have now died from the virus, 700,000 of them in the United States. There is a similarly high death rate in Russia. Only a third of Russians have had a shot of the locally developed Sputnik V vaccine. And this weekend, a record number of them, 1,700, died from the virus. Australia, too, is wrestling with a COVID surge. The city of Melbourne has rolled out a huge testing program as the country prepares to reopen foreign travel. And people in Melbourne will tomorrow win the dubious honor of having spent the most number of days under lockdown on the planet, 246 and counting. Elizabeth Palmer, CBS News, London.